FPV? Which one do you want? This one? This one? Or this one? Which one? None? Which one do you want? It's DJI. Look. Wow, what is that one? That's still the Mavic 3. That's not a classic. What do you think of this? Look, okay, hold it.
Hi.
You have that. Which one? Which one you want? You want this one?
This one.
I already have that. And I also have the Avata. Which one? Here, hold this one. Hold this one. Hold this one. Wow, look at this. Hold it. Wow, look how big that is. Woo! Look at this thing go. Woo! Whoa, this thing is quick. Wow, guys. Look at that. Whoa! Mavic. Woohoo! Look at that, guys. Yeah! Look at the Mavic. Awesome. Look how quick this thing is. Wow, man, it's super quiet. Look at this guy. Whoa, man. Woo! All right, let's still go ahead and see if it's still landing in the water. Let's go ahead and see if it lands in the water. So you gotta hold it for a while to land in the water. Bottom obstacle avoidance is working. See, you gotta like you gotta like hold it. You saw that? Yeah. Woo! Big bird, I would say. Thing's badass in sport mode. Woo! It's not okay. I want to tell you guys, it's not agile as the Air 2. I'm sorry, yeah, Air 2 or Air 1. It's not agile. I mean, it's just a smooth flyer in a sport mode, but it's super quiet. So if you're gonna fly this around, it's crazy. Anyway, I'm just, wow, guys, it's flying around. Things take off like, look at it. Wow. Ascend. It's another one. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at that. Wow. And of course, if you want to capture someone, just go back this way with it in a foil board. Woohoo! Woo! Yeah, it's very agile. Not a bad bird. Look at that. And of course I can go back down with it. Land! Yeah, it's good. Wow, it's quick. You'll get there right away in seconds. So it's good. Anyway, here you go. Just testing out the sport mode. Can you still drift? Yeah, you can actually play around with the settings with this. I think it really depends how you fly it, but I think you can. Because let me see. Yeah, you can still drift. You can still drift. You can still drift. Yeah, still able to do it. You just gotta play around with the sticks. Look at this, guys. Wow. Monster. Alright, we're here. And we're gonna do a quick punch. We're gonna do a quick punch here. Ready? Set, go. It's a quick punch right there. Look at that. Wow. Woo! Getting the Mavic 3 now, Classic, is actually better because you have the firmware updates for how many months of the Mavic 3s, and hopefully the axle track is already on it. So guys, I just share my experience flying the Mavic 3. This is not the Classic. I'm just showing it to you. What's my first experience flying the Mavic 3. I totally loved flying it. It was extremely fun, and the feeling that I had, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have that feeling. But anyway, guys, now you have a better option getting the Mavic 3 Classic. The reason why I made this video, because I actually made this video a long time ago when the Mavic 3 came out, and I kept it for a reason. Now I have a reason too. And anyway, the Mavic 3 Classic, the specs is about the same. Nothing really changes as much. Now if you do get the Mavic 3 Classic, you have a better chance, of course, using just the RC. You don't even need a smart control like before. You had that opportunity. The only option that you have is the smart controller. But now, you know, you can actually just use the RC Mini 3. And not only that, you know, you can actually, or you can just go ahead and just get the Classic drone itself if you already have the Mini 3 drone. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Just showing you my experience. And yes, I had a really good time flying the Mavic 3, and I'm thinking about it, but if I do get it, I might just go ahead and just get the drone itself. But anyway, just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.